Okay, it's Luca's birthday, el cumpleaños de Luca. Okay.
This present came from Rocco, and it came with that art card that you really liked. Okay, you can open it.
It's for me and you.
It's from you. We'll make it from you.
It's for me and you, Luca. Your favorite thing. You sure?
Didn't you want those?
Yeah.
Didn't you ask me that you wanted those for your birthday?
Yeah.
Then why aren't you excited?
Be
They're for
happy.
me and you. They're for me and
Wow, it's a shark shirt.
It's a shirt to wear for your party tomorrow.
you. Yeah, and that's for me and you. Can I open got it for your birthday?
Are you going to take them upstairs and play with them? Yeah? Okay. I get the black one though, because you took my black one, so give me the black one back.
No, I can get your black one.
You're going to get me the black one upstairs?
Yeah, I'm going to go get it.
Okay.
Let's
see, you think this will fit you? Yeah, perfect.
All right.
For your shark party tomorrow. Do you like your shirt? What do you say? You're welcome.